They say that they want another one, so I'ma have them playing this one on repeat. Swear to God, I get love from the youngins and hate from the ones that call themselves the OGs. There's a reason why I be doing what I'm doing. If you pay attention, you hear me. Guess I gotta break it down for the ones in the back, cause you ain't understanding me clearly.
Do I even really need to talk about this mask? Like, I know y'all see me on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, bro, the bird's just tripping. To get your hands on one of these masks, you're gonna have to at least sacrifice at least one virgin and a sheep. Cause I swear to God, it took me forever to get my hands on one of these. Welcome to another episode of Take That Tuesday. Bro, it's been a minute. It's been months. Today, we are focused on the Razer Zephyr face mask. I'm not gonna waste much more time. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna have to move a little bit different today because your boy was too lazy to set up the whole room. I didn't have time. I had stuff to do. No, senpai, you can't get it. No, you cannot. I already know you're probably gonna be in the comment section asking for it. I'm not giving it to you. I'm just letting you know. Of course, the casing, you know, I expected it to at least be, you know what I'm saying, at least be some decent packaging. I didn't expect it to be any doo-doo packaging and whatnot. We're gonna be doing a review. I already did a review for this watch, by the way. We definitely gonna talk about that. First, opening up the box, you got your little warranty right here. Alright, breathe in the future. Let me breathe out my pockets, because you already know this man's gonna cost us a lot down the run, bro. I ain't gonna get into it. Razer stickers, your chroma, because you already know we gotta do everything in Razer form, you know. Yeah, and it's just a bunch of instructions. I don't even think we really need to do we need these? Do we need these? I don't think we need these. Do people still read these? Does anybody ever read these on? No. All right. So the nitty and gritty, the main thing that we all waited for, everybody. Golly, my hands are huge on this camera, bro. All right, so this mask right here, this is the mask that we've been losing our minds for. People have been going and staring at 404 errors. They've been going through all types of trials and tribulations in order to find this mask. Definite sturdy material. In all honesty, the design is really nice. You got your Razer going across the side here. Good hard plastic, good quality. It does have a really good fill build. Of course, you got Razer on the opposite side, both sides of the mask. Solid plastic on the insides. Of course, the nice fill. I'm gonna have to go wipe this down with alcohol before I put this on my face. You already know your boy got that OCD problem, but all right, so your removable covering right here, which is of course supposed to protect the face. What I will say is that I do not like how these are just all magnetic. I don't like how this could just easily just come off. Bro, like, what if somebody just walk up to you and just punch you dead in the face for no reason because you screwing their girlfriend or something, bro? Like this would just come off like no problem. This would come off like no problem, son. But I do love the facing. Like, of course, now that I got to actually take the plastic off, it actually does not look bad at all. Like, look at that. So, of course, we got your double straps. Your double straps will go to the top and the bottom of the back of the head. Doesn't have any type of thing that's meant to go over the ears like your traditional face mask. I have another face mask that I want to compare this to. You got your USB-C port right there. Like I mentioned, you have your removable place. This is where the filter would actually go in here as well. And so these are the vents, of course, for both sides, of course. And you have your RGB. This is where the air gets sucked in with the filter. You know, that's the only thing that's getting sucked up. So these are your filters. Okay, so there's a filter that goes under the mouthpiece, and there's a filter that goes into where the fans are. The USB-C charger. Most companies nowadays do not want to give us any type of AC adapter. They just give us USB cables and just tell us to go with the flow, bro. Like, what type of disrespectful shit? So this is the anti-fog. This is Razer's anti-fog spray. This is meant for those who have summer heat weather breath, you know, in the winter. It's for you, you know, so we can actually still see your face through the mask. You're supposed to spray it all up in here so that, you know, even while you're breathing your molten lava and putting everybody else's lava in danger, you inconsiderate bastard. After reading the manual, it pretty much says that we need to replace these filters every 72 hours. So I want y'all to keep that in mind. If y'all decide to go to the website and buy this type of mask, yes, it's N95, which they do say that it's not classified as a medical device, which doesn't make sense since it protects us medically, but whatever. If this is the type of mask that you actually want to get, just know that you're going to have to buy a lot of filters in order to keep this thing maintained, especially if you go outside on a regular basis. In order to access the mask and its RGB features, you need to download the Razer Zephyr app, and we need to activate the Bluetooth, activate notifications. I don't know what the hell we need notifications on a mask. I guess it tells you when your breath is hot. Here you can actually set up your colors, so you can have like A, destination B. So in other words, I wanted to set it to the breathing feature. You can set the lighting for the inside of the mask, the outside of the mask, and you can also set the fan speeds, and you can buy filters straight from the app. Too bad that they're sold out just like everything else always is. Once you run out with the ones that you already got, hope you got an alternative.
Now, what I will say is that this is not a mask that I would probably wear every day, especially with the amount of filters that you would have to buy on a regular basis in order to keep this sustained if you travel for more than 3 days at a time. Let's just say you went on a week vacation. You're pretty much going to have to bring 2 sets of filters with you for that vacation if you're outside every day. And that's only going to cover 6 days out of your 7. So these things really would tally up. You're pretty much going to have to spend $30 a month. $30 a month gives you enough protection up to 30 days.
So this mask, depending on how much you travel, is going to become a monthly bill. So even though this mask retails at $99.99, you're pretty much spending $360 a year in order for you to wear this mask every single day.
So like me personally, I probably would just keep it black because I really don't want people looking at my face.
I will give this mask a solid 7 out of 10. For its sturdy design, its RGB functions, the fact that you can customize lighting all the way around, its N95 protection, the high quality straps and build, and its overall cool look. Yes, I know all in all, this mask actually costs a lot more than this mask. I do understand that. And of course, if you're gonna go by price point, then yes, this mask will be the better mask for you to choose. But if you like more functionality, more features, longer lasting filters, just one filter lasts 30 days. This one lasts 72 hours. I'm personally going to use this one all the time. This is my main driver. This is going to be one that I probably wear like when I go to maybe anime conventions, or if I go out to hang with a bunch of friends, or if I'm doing some type of gaming event where I'm smacking somebody in Smash Bros or something like that. This would probably be the mask that I'd rock. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you drop a like for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We try to drop videos all the time. Like, I've been doing my best. I've been kind of taking a long break. I needed a lot of stress off, but I'm back at it. Content's gonna be coming out every week, bro. Much love to y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. You dig?
Yes, sir. Hello?
I'm sorry to fuck with her.